Up, y'all? Silver Opinion back here in video. Today for my birthday, I got a dirt bike 50cc 2-stroke. It's very fun to ride, and I'm just showing you guys how to start it up and ride it. So these are actually really expensive at the motorcycle stores. Not that expensive, but they're like kind of expensive. So I got this on OfferUp for $350, and this is a good deal right here, guys. It's brand new and it worked very good, and it goes pretty fast. So we call it. If you guys want to buy one of these. His name's Jason, and he sells them really cheap for only $350. And he can make a deal with you too. So how you turn around? The gas is off right now. This is off. That's on. So I have to push this arrow right here. So that's hitting on like that straight. So after I do that, I go on this side right here as you see, and I pull that, and then it starts up the 2-stroke, just like you know guys do. And then you call it. Once you're ready to drive it, pull the throttle back and you're ready to drive it. These are the 2 brakes right here. Once I want to stop it, push on this button. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be driving it. I'm also warming it up too, guys. So yeah. I'm gonna let it warm up for like 20 seconds. That's how you turn it off, guys. Push the button. So yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe if you like the dirt bike. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and peace out.